Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Jobble account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Jobble app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, tap on the Sign Up button. You will need to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Now, tap on the Create Account button. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Jobble. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you back to the Jobble app or website. Once verified, return to the app and log in using your email and password. Complete any additional profile information as prompted. This may include uploading a profile picture or entering your work preferences. After finishing your profile, you are ready to explore job opportunities. Check your notifications for any updates or new job postings. Now you can fully utilize your Jobble account to find gigs. Congratulations on activating your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.